Hello everyone and welcome to another C programming video. I'm just gonna have a sip of coffee. Just 1 second. There we go. So today we're going to try and abstract things a little bit, like how we deal with actors and scenes, because we want to be able to like create instances of the actor object that has other behavior. For example, maybe we want to create a ball object that sort of inherits from the actor. Now this is a bit tricky because we don't have like inheritances and classes in C, so we're gonna have to do this in a hacky way, okay? So first off, what I was thinking about is that now we have like a draw actor and a tick actor method. I'm thinking that we should make those function pointers instead to the actor object. I think that is going to be the best thing to do. So let's just start by doing that. So let's go into the actor.age. And by the way, we're probably going to do this for the scene as well. I put function pointers on the scene object. Right, so we're going to have a function pointer here called void update, and it's going to not take any arguments for now. And we're also going to have, now let's call this tick, by the way, tick, and we're going to have the draw method as well. Draw. Now we'll still have these methods here, but they will be assigned to the object. Right, so now in our actor.c, we are going to draw actor. I mean, the abstract actor probably will not have those things assigned to it. I mean, why would it? It's not going to have any sort of behavior. Although we still want to have these methods here. Because for example, if I create the ball actor, then I want to be able to use this draw logic on that one. Sort of inherit that method. Okay, so now what I want to do is inside our scene.c in our loop here, we're going to check if the actor actually has a tick method. So let's just do this first. Actor A is equal to, then we're going to do if a.tick. So if it has a tick method, then we're going to do a tick. Okay. And yeah, we're going to do that in the same way here. So if a draw, then we're going to do this. Now we shouldn't see anything. If you compile this now, we should see a blank screen, and we do. And that's the expected behavior. So now what we can do, for example, maybe we should define the pad actor, you know, the actor that is sort of a player. I'm just gonna have a sip of coffee. So to do that, we would create another, first create another H file here. touch include actor pad.age, and we're also going to have a actor pad.c, and we're going to do the usual stuff. If def long actor pad, define pong actor pad age. Okay. Now, yeah, we're going to want to include this one, I think. So yeah, we'll include actor.age, type def struct actor pad struct actor pad. Now I read somewhere that if you pass in, if you have a struct like as the last member of another struct, you can sort of get inheritance. I think you can do that. I'm going to have a quick Google on that one. See struct inheritance. I think I read that somewhere. Yeah, that's what you can do. Yeah, so right. So what we can do, I think, is to do actor base. I think we can do that. Now we're gonna have a actor pad init actor pad, and we're still going to need these. And we need to do actor pad equals to init. Like, this seems weird to do that though. Is that? Can you do that? And also this shouldn't be here, sorry. Include slash actor pad. Whoa. Really? Actor pad. This seems like that wouldn't work, but maybe it does, I don't know. So, well, that doesn't work. I think we need to do actor pad equals calloc size of actor pad struct, and then pad base equals init actor x y c. Now that probably will, no, undeclared. Oh right. Pad base incompatible types when assigning to actor pad. Okay, I think we need to calc. No, we shouldn't need to do that. What? Pad base, right. Well, I guess, I mean, that could probably, oh, I don't like doing that. Incompatible pointer type. We probably need to, yeah, I think we need to, I mean, why would that, I mean, yeah, we probably just want to do that and then do pad x equals x, pad y equals y, pad z equals z. I mean, will that even work? Because it's not really, it doesn't have those values. I think if we do like actor A is equal to actor, no. If we cast that like that and then do, I think actually this can work. I mean, that compiles. I don't know if that really works though. Now, this seems a bit off to do it that way. I'm thinking maybe we should, I think what we can do is to do this. If we do this, put that in another method called actor constructor, and we do float x, float y, float c. Put that stuff there, and we do actor A, and then we do return A, and then we do actor constructor A, x, y, c. Now this will probably be a nice way to do it. Right, so now we also need to go into the actor.age. Let's just copy this line here. Put it there. Now what we can do is that we can go into the actor pad and we can do actor constructor, actor pad x, y, z. So that would probably work, because now this is basically like doing a super in like Java or TypeScript or something like that. So that compiles perfectly. Now we're gonna need in our actor pad, we're also going to need void update. All right, this is what I forgot. In our actor.age, in our chicken draw, we actually want a reference to the actor here. So let's just do void self, and then we're going to do void draw actor, tick actor. Okay, cool. And let's go here, and we're going to do actor pad self. Actually, let's do actor self. Or maybe not. Pad. Wait, we didn't call it update though, did we? Draw, actor, draw, tick, draw. Now we call it tick. Actor, pad, tick. Actor, pad, draw. Right, so let's copy these to the actor.c. No, actor pad.c, sorry. And now it's possible that we have to define these over here, but I'm not sure. Maybe we should make it so the constructor has to take in those update and tick methods. Or I mean tick and draw methods. Would make sense to do that, I guess. Let's just do that. Actor, pad, tick, pad, draw. Now I just want to see if this works. Printf, actor, pad, draw. Actor, pad, tick. And we need to modify the constructor to needs to take in these two parameters. Let's just make our window a little bit bigger here. A tick, and we need the draw. Let's copy that whole line and go to actor.c. Replace that with that one. Then we're going to do a tick equals tick, a draw equals draw. Does it compile? It does not compile, too few arguments. Alright, so this is yeah, this is the abstract. Do we even need to call the constructor in the abstract actor? I mean, that seems sort of... No, I don't think so. Too few arguments to function tick in scene.c. Right, so we're not really... Oh, this shouldn't be... We need to do a draw a. And here we need to do a tick a. Okay. Make it clean, make it compiles, but we have some problems. Passing argument 5 of actor constructor from incompatible pointer type. Now the problem with those are probably that, you know, these I mean, these are actually what we can do here is do actor self, and we don't need void there. Now we got some other problems here. Conflicting types for constructor in actor.c. Well, obviously. Now we're still going to get problems, and this is probably because it wants me to do that. No, we're still getting problems. Conflicting types. Alright, but this is because the actor.h is wrong. No, the actor pad.h. assignment from incompatible. All right, so this error is actually expected because the actor has void pointers here in the arguments, and this is because we don't know what the struct is here. So we have to do that, but yeah. Now, we still shouldn't see anything different here, because we haven't initialized any pad actors, okay? Let's try to do that, actually. So we have our actor pad.c, which creates a pad, okay? Let's see if this works. So we did this, but now we want to do pad. I need actor pad, okay? And we need to do include slash actor pad h, and we can remove that one, I think. Or maybe we cannot. I don't know. We should probably have it there. Make clean, make. Now that still compiles. And we're getting the actor pad tick draw, so that works properly. Now my editor crashed for some weird reason. Now, in our actor pad, we still want to draw stuff. And thank God we have this one, actor draw, because that method exists here. No, it's actually called draw actor. Whoa, that method is, it should be called actor draw. Actually, that method is not, does not have a correct name. We're gonna have to change that. I think we're gonna change that right away. I can't stand having inconsistency in my code. So smart replace draw actor draw, and all the .c program codes, yeah, and the .h, yeah, okay. There we go. Now what we have to do here is to pass in self. Now hopefully we should see something, and we do. Cool, so now we can create like sort of sub definitions of an abstract definition in a hacky way, okay? I know it's not really nice, but it works. So that's nice. That's really nice, actually. Cool. So, what can we do now? I'm thinking that the next step is probably to be able to render textures or to work on the input stuff, because we want to be able to move these things when we press the key. But something I want to see first, if we can actually do like self x plus equals 0.05. Let's see if we can make things move from here. Does it move? No, it doesn't move. Or does it? It actually does move, but really slow. Yeah, so we can still move things from the subclass, so to speak. That's good. Now, maybe we should just jump right into input stuff. So we have our input thing here. I'm thinking that maybe we can like send events to rest of the code or something. What I was thinking about is that we could do like events would be a nice thing. For example, we could do like like I like the way how it's in JavaScript, where you can like add event listeners. So I'm thinking to do some sort of behavior like that, where you can add an event listener for a specific key. So what we can do in here on our input stuff is that we can define a struct called type def struct event listener struct and event listener. I'm wondering what this like glf get key, is this an integer? What is that? glf key. Window. Yeah, it's an integer. It's an integer. Cool. So what we can do here is that we can do. Whoa. Stop it. Int key, and also we're gonna have a function pointer here actually. Void. Void callback or something. Okay. And then we can have void add event listener int key void callback. And we're going to probably gonna need to have a list for that too. So maybe we should have another structure too, called type def struct event manager, and we're going to need to include dynamic list.age, and this will have a list of event listeners. So we're gonna have dynamic list event listeners. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna need an init function for that one actually. Whoa, event manager, stop it. Event manager init event manager. Please stop. Can I turn that off somehow? Cool. Let's go into the input.c. Let's put that stuff. Let's put that stuff here actually. Event manager em equals calloc 1 size of struct event manager struct return em, and also em event listeners equals init dynamic list size of event listener struct. Oh my god, come on guys. Okay, now we're not gonna need to do well, we need a reference here to the event manager actually. Event manager em event manager, no, event listener, is that what we call it? Event listener Oh, this should be called struct. Event listener el equals calloc 1 size of event listener struct, and l key equals key, l callback equals callback. Now we're almost there, guys. I'm just gonna have a sip of coffee. We're almost there, okay? Now what we can do is that we can have a loop here, okay? So for int I equals, please, int I equals 0. If I is less than, maybe we should have a constant here. Event manager, event listeners size I++, event listener el equals event listener, event manager, event listeners items I. If glf we, come on, get key, window l key is equal to glf we press, then l callback. Huh. I think that should work actually. Let's compile that. Yeah, we don't have that one. Conflicting types for event listener. Right. Event manager em make, and we don't have that one, so let's go into the main.c and do that's probably a good way to put it. Event manager do event manager equals init event manager. What? Okay, oh, we need to extern that one. Come on, please, guys. Extern event manager, okay. What? Oh, come on. Why is my editor always crashes when I record, but never otherwise? But yeah, this is a problem we don't have. I always make this mistake. Well, it compiles, does it run? It runs, and now what we should be able to do is go into the actor.c. Come on, really stop now. And what we want to do here is that we could probably do include slash input.h, and we can do extern event manager, and we could add a callback here now. Void key callback or something, I don't know. And we could probably do printf yo. Let's just see if that works, and then we can do really please, and then we can do here in the constructor, we could probably do like event manager, no, add event listener, event manager, key callback, right, wait, that won't work. Oh, now I get it. we need a key here. So what I saw in the this one, it's doing escape. We'll see if we can do another key. I'm just playing around here basically. I don't know if this is gonna work. Whoa, come on. Key enter maybe. So if we press enter now, I am expecting. Let's just remove this for now. It's annoying. I am expecting the yo 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 thing to print, but I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't think this through. No, we're seeing nothing. I don't know why actually. Let's see if it's actually like input.c. Maybe that is messing things up. I don't know. It's possible. Wait, we're not really. Wait. We're not adding it. EM. That might do it. Make. Now yo 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 works. So cool. That actually works. Event listeners work. I think maybe we can get this back here. Now. Cool. Can I make that actor move when I press enter? That might be actually. That might be difficult to do actually. I mean probably. Because how is that? How is that? How am I going to get a reference to that actor in here? Good question, actually. Maybe in the event listener, we could also have like a. Well. Pad. Now this is going to be pretty weird. Wait, is this really what we want to do? Is this really what we want to do? I don't know if I like this actually. It's going to be weird. It's going to be weird. I guess one thing we could do is let's remove that from there. And do and pass in if k, whoa, k, and then one thing we could probably do here is so if k equals to glf, we pressed equals 1. Else pressed equals 0. I'm just gonna see if that compiles. We don't need to pass this thing now. compiles. Does it anything do? Now we don't know that yet. Now maybe we could do if pressed x plus equals 0.5. I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, undeclared self. I don't know what happened. Oh, we removed the draw, sorry. If pressed, it moves even though I haven't done anything, so that didn't work. Whoa, we actually defaulted it to 1. Okay, so it moved when I pressed, but it didn't stop. I want to see here, like glfv press. We probably do that. If k equals weird. Like, what if I do this? It's still moving. No. Whoa, come on, come on. Printf d new line make long. What the? Is it always press? What? Isn't that weird? If state equals glf get key. Isn't that what we're doing? It's called state though, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. But why is it always pressed? Like, why is that? Okay, so that could be done as well, I guess. It's actually what we wanted to do, so maybe our event listener is useless. If you wish to be notified when a physical key is pressed or released when it repeats, set a key callback. Yeah. That's exactly what we wanted to do, so we created the event listener. Yeah. That was stupid. Maybe we need to do this, by the way. Yeah, I think our input stuff is useless. Probably. I mean, our event handler stuff. Since it already supports callbacks out of the box, it probably wasn't needed. Okay. But why is that like... What? This is really weird. I guess one ugly hack for this is to do... I don't know why that's not working. We could do pressed equals 0 afterwards. Now that will work, but it's not nice. We should probably... Okay, so that works. We can move it now, but yeah, we should probably use the real callbacks to do this. This is not a nice solution. It also involves more code than necessary. So yeah, our event listening things might be... I try to be smarter than I actually am, so yeah. That code was easily... We should use the real event listing stuff that comes with the glf stuff. This is not nice. But yeah, we'll probably work on that in the next video. We got inputs to work, at least. Cool. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.